are you Shannon?
Yes.
I'm Amanda. I'm a graduate student nurse practitioner. I'm going to be doing your exam today. Before we start, can you confirm your name and your date of birth?
Yes, it's Shannon Weaver, and it's 03/23/1976.
Okay, do you have any cultural preferences I need to be aware of?
No.
What brings you into the clinic today?
I've just been having burning pain in my chest.
Okay, when did the pain start?
About 2 years ago, but it's gotten worse in the past 4 months.
Okay, can you point to the location of your pain?
Just in my chest, and it moves in my neck sometimes.
Okay. As far as duration, is it constant, or when does it seem to occur?
It occurs every day, and then usually an hour after meals, and it's varying times.
Okay. Can you describe the character of the pain? Is it stabbing, sharp, burning?
It's burning.
Okay. Does anything make the pain worse?
Just lying down wakes me up at night, and then eating big meals makes it worse.
Okay. Any other symptoms that come along with the pain?
Just a sore throat and an acidic taste in my mouth and nasal drainage, and then sometimes it feels like there's something in my throat.
Okay. Does anything make the pain better?
Cimetidine used to help, but not in the past 4 months, and then antacids help, but only for a short time.
Okay. What antacid have you been taking?
Take 1,000 milligrams of Tums,
Okay.
and usually 2 to 3 tablets when the pain starts.
Okay. When's the last time you took that?
No.
Today?
Yes.
Okay. What about the timing of the pain? Does it occur at a certain time of the day?
Just after eating, and then it's worse at night.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain that you've ever had, and 1 being no pain, how bad would you say that your pain is?
I would say a 5.
Okay. I'm going to move on to some history. What are you allergic to?
Just penicillin.
Okay. What does that do to you?
Gives me a rash.
And have you had it? When was the last time you took that?
Just as a child.
Okay. Any allergies to medications?
No.
I'm sorry. You told me about your medication allergy. Any allergy to food?
No.
What about latex?
No.
Any environmental allergies?
No.
Tell me about your current medications. You told me about the Tums. Are there any other medications that you take every day?
The 800 milligrams of the cimetidine, I take that daily, and I took that last night.
Okay.
And then the simvastatin, and I take 10 milligrams of that daily.
Okay. When did you last take that?
Last night.
Okay. And what do you take that for?
High cholesterol.
Okay. Any other medicines that you take every day?
No.
Do you have any that you just take as needed?
Just an albuterol inhaler.
Okay. Do you know the dose on that?
No.
And you take that for your asthma?
Yes.
When's the last time you used that?
Last week.
And about how many puffs do you take when you use it?
2.
2 puffs. Okay. Any over-the-counter medications that you use?
Just ibuprofen for headaches.
Okay. Do you know the dose on that?
No.
About how many tablets do you take at a time?
Usually just 2.
Okay. And what did you take that for?
Headaches.
And how often do you take that?
Usually I take it every day.
Every day. Okay. Any other medications
No.
that you take? Do you take any vitamins?
No.
Any herbal supplements?
No.
Okay. Tell me about any past medical problems that you've had.
Just asthma and high cholesterol.
Okay. And when did your asthma start?
Just as a child.
And when was your last asthma attack?
It was just about a month ago.
Okay. Have you ever been hospitalized for your asthma?
No.
Okay. And you said you had high cholesterol.
Yes.
When were you diagnosed with that?
A couple years ago.
Okay. Have you had your cholesterol checked recently?
Yes, about 6 months ago.
Okay. Do you know what the number on that was?
200.
200. Okay. Any other past medical problems?
No.
Have you ever had any surgeries?
No.
Have you ever been hospitalized for any reason?
No.
Have you ever been treated for any kind of psychiatric problems?
No.
Okay. Are your childhood immunizations up to date?
Yes.
Have you had a flu shot this season?
Yes.
Have you had a pneumonia shot this season?
Yes.
What about a shingles vaccine?
Yes.
Okay. Any other vaccines that you've had recently?
No.
Have you had a dental screen recently?
Yes.
When was that?
About 6 months ago.
Did they find anything abnormal?
No.
What about your last vision screen?
About 6 months ago.
Okay, anything abnormal there?
No.
Any other preventative screenings that you've had?
No.
Okay. Next, I'm going to move on to family history. I'm going to ask you to tell me, I'm going to tell you the name of a family member. You tell me the age that they passed away or the age that they are now and any pertinent medical information, okay?
Okay.
Your dad's mom.
She's still living, and she's 84. and she has no major medical problems.
Okay, what about your dad's dad?
He passed away at 80 from a heart attack.
Okay, what about your mom's dad?
I'm not sure because she was adopted.
Okay, so do you have any information on either of her
No.
parents? Okay. What about your dad?
He's still living. He's 57 with no major medical problems.
Okay, what about your mom?
She passed away at 49 from breast cancer.
Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother who's 25 with no major medical problems.
Okay, and what about any children?
No.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you some questions about your social life now.
Okay.
Are you married?
Yes.
Who do you live with?
My wife.
Okay. Where do you work at?
A banker.
Okay, where at?
Exchange Bank.
Okay, and what's the highest level of education that you
Bachelor's
completed?
degree.
Alright. How often do you use alcohol?
Never.
How often do you use tobacco?
Never.
How often do you use illicit drugs?
Never.
How often do you exercise?
I don't.
Okay. Have you traveled out of the country in the past 6 months?
No.
Have you ever served in our military?
No.
And how many sexual partners have you had?
One.
Okay. Now I'm just going to ask you a few questions about about your body, and you just answer yes or no. And if it's a yes, that we need to stop and talk about, we will. Okay.
Okay.
Have you been experiencing any fevers?
No.
Night sweats?
No.
Chills?
No.
Dizziness?
No.
Okay. Have you had a sore throat?
Yes.
Have you been experiencing any hoarseness?
Sometimes.
Okay. Any trouble swallowing?
No.
And have you had any nasal drainage?
Yes, just down the back of my throat.
Okay. Any other problems with your throat?
No.
Okay. As far as your lungs go, have you had any wheezing?
Yes.
You have. What about a cough?
Yes.
Have you been coughing up anything?
No.
No, you haven't been coughing up any blood?
No.
Okay. Have you been short of breath easier than usual?
No.
You can climb 2 flights of stairs with no problem?
Yes.
Okay. Have you had any other problems with your lungs?
No.
Okay. Have you had any chest pain?
Just the burning.
No other
No
chest
chest.
pain?
Yeah, no other chest.
Have you had feeling that your heart's beating fast?
No.
Or any abnormal heartbeats?
No.
Have you had any activity intolerance that you have noticed?
No.
What about swelling in your feet and ankles?
No.
Any hair loss?
No.
Okay. And have you had any pain in your legs that happens when you're having activity and stops when you stop having activity?
No.
Okay. Any other problems with your heart that you know of?
Not that I know of.
Okay. And as far as your stomach goes, any abdominal pain?
No.
Have you had any nausea?
No.
Vomiting?
No.
Diarrhea?
No.
Constipation?
No.
When was your last bowel movement?
Earlier today.
Okay. About how often do you go?
Twice a day.
Okay. What color was your stool today?
Brown.
Okay. And would you say that it was hard, firm, or loose?
Firm.
Okay. And any problems there?
No.
Tell me about your diet. What do you typically eat in a day?
Okay. For breakfast, I eat usually bacon and eggs, and then for lunch, I'll eat just at different restaurants, and then for supper, my wife cooks a big meal that's usually got some kind of protein or meat, and then vegetables and bread.
Okay. Any other abdominal problems
No.
that we need to discuss? Okay. I'm going to have you come sit here in my chair. I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
And we're going to start our assessment here. Okay. First, I'm just going to look in your throat since you've been having some problems with your throat. If you will stick out your tongue and say ah, ah. Say ah again, ah. Okay. And I'm just going to look at your teeth. Okay. All right. Next, I'm going to have you remove your shirt, and we're going to start with your respiratory assessment.
Okay.
If you will, just kind of turn your back. There you go. And start out just by looking at your back. Watch you breathe 2 times. I'm just going to feel back here. Tell me if you have any areas of tenderness.
Okay.
Anything?
No.
All right. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hands on your back, and I just want you to say 99, okay?
Okay.
Go.
99. 99. 99. 99.
Okay, and take a deep breath in and out for me. Good. All right, I'm just going to do some tapping on your back. You can just breathe normal. And I'm gonna listen.
Okay.
Take some deep breaths for me. If you would turn around, I'm going to listen to the front part of your chest. Take some deep breaths. Okay. I don't hear anything abnormal with your lung assessment. I'm going to have you move to our table back here and move on. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to look with my light to see if I see anything abnormal on your chest. If you will, tilt your head back. I'm going to look at your neck right here. Okay? I'm just going to feel on your chest to see if I feel any abnormal vibrations. Okay, and I don't feel anything. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to your heart. And I'm also with the other side of the stethoscope. And I'm going to listen up here to your neck now. I'm going to get you to lay out a little bit flatter for me. I'm just going to start by looking at your stomach for anything abnormal. Okay, I don't see anything. I'm going to listen to your bowel sounds next. Sorry. Okay, and I'm going to listen right here to your abdominal aorta. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to tap on your stomach, listening to the sounds that it makes. And I'm just going to feel, next I'm just going to feel on your stomach. First I'm going to feel lightly, and I want you to tell me if you feel any areas of tenderness here. Anything? Now I'm going to feel a little bit deeper. I don't feel anything abnormal. Do you feel any pain when I do that? All right. Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions? Okay. I'm going to have you sit up and put your shirt on, and then we'll discuss my findings, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.